Bonjour, mesdames et messieurs. I have an incredible news for you. The best deal of the year is here, the 5-day deal. It's thousands of dollars of courses, tutorials, LUTs, action, preset, profiles for $89. It's unbelievable. Last year, a lot of people missed it. I got hundreds of emails, people, they missed it. Get it now. But if you get it from that link, you're gonna get an additional, all my Lightroom Universe courses, Lightroom Classic, Lightroom CC, Lightroom Mobile, all free and included. It's 5 hours course on each of the software. Plus you're gonna get my Photoshop for Photographer 8 hours course. It's crazy, it's the best deal of the year. Plus, you're getting the whole package, which includes Scott Kelby Complete Pack. I love Scott and I love his work. Joel Graham, my good friend, One Line Masterclass. Just this is worth $89. You're gonna get the dramatic single light portraiture from Matt Granger. You're gonna get the time blending Photoshop tutorials and complex masking Photoshop tutorials from Matt Peterson Iverson, very talented photographer. You're gonna get the ultimate Lightroom and preset LUT bundle for PH Learn. You're gonna get the Lighting 101 from SLR Launch, Creative Control 1 and 2 from Nicole S. Young. You're gonna get my good friend Jimmy McTire 5 photo courses. This guy is unbelievable on luminosity mask if you're into that. It's incredible technique. And so much more. I mean, it would take me like a long time to go through everything for $89. If there's only one thing you should buy this year, this is it. Buy it from that link and you're gonna get all my Lightroom and Photoshop training for free. It's crazy.